Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learning Room Pro. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. And if this video helps you learn even one new word, don't forget to give it a like. It really supports me. Today's lesson is very simple, very calm, and very practical. In this episode, I will show you how to build your English vocabulary easily, without boring lists, without memorizing like in school, and without feeling overwhelmed. Many learners see a new word, try to remember it, and forget it the next day. Why? Because they learn words alone, without context or feeling. Today, we will learn words in a natural, gentle way, the way children learn. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind, and let's begin. Why memorizing doesn't work. When you memorize lists, your brain gets tired. You repeat words again and again, but soon they disappear. Real vocabulary grows when words become part of your life, when you see them, hear them, use them, not just once, but naturally every day. And today, you will start growing your vocabulary like that. The natural vocabulary method. Here is the gentle truth. You don't need 50 new words a day. You only need 5 to 10 words that stay with you forever. We will use a method called daily word connection. This method has 3 easy steps. Step 1. Learn words in context. Never learn a word alone. Always learn it in a simple sentence. For example, instead of just beautiful, learn the sky is beautiful today. Instead of delicious, learn this food is delicious. Feel the word. See the picture in your mind. The sentence helps the word stay. Step 2. Use the word the same day. Don't wait. Use the new word today. Speak it out loud. Write it in a message. Think it in your head. For example, if you learned amazing, say, this lesson is amazing. This day feels amazing. When you use it, it becomes yours. Step 3. Review gently every day. Spend just 2 to 3 minutes reviewing old words. Look at yesterday's words. Say the sentences again. No pressure. No testing yourself. Just touch them gently. Your brain will remember naturally. Let's practice together. Now relax and learn with me. Today's word is peaceful. Sentence, this room feels peaceful. Say it, this room feels peaceful. Good. Next word, grateful. Sentence, I am grateful for this lesson. Say it, I am grateful for this lesson. Excellent. One more, journey. Sentence, my English learning is a beautiful journey. Say it, my English learning is a beautiful journey. Wonderful. These words are now part of you. Final thought. You don't need to learn hundreds of words. You only need to learn a few, deeply, naturally, every day. Vocabulary is not a race. It is a gentle path, and you are walking it beautifully. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you enjoyed these new words, please hit the like button and subscribe for more calm English lessons. You are growing your English every day. I'm your friend from Learning Room Pro. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.